What's up world? Today I will show you how it looks the current situation starting from Raya Seminyak, which is the north part of Seminyak, going into Legian Street. I will drive very slowly during the Legian Street and stuff like this, and finish vlog somewhere. Oh, so bright over here. And I will finish vlog somewhere where is the Sky Garden area. Meanwhile, on the way you will see everything how it look like. So please enjoy and stay tuned. Alright, so we are starting from corner of TSL, and there are some businesses over here. So we are heading into the direction of Legian. The street, it's called Raya Seminyak. Here is on the left is the Doppio Pinky or something like this, some cafe shop. Everything it's for takeaway right now. So as you see, the situation is kind of quiet, I have to say. Well, it's really actually not much happening around here. There's so many shops around this area, this part of street, this part of area of Seminyak. Still, Seminyak is famous for shopping and some restaurants, but unfortunately many shops right here already gone, and so many buildings, it's called Srukos, are already for rent, or they are just simply empty, or even if their businesses are there, they are just most likely closed. So the situation looks how it is. Also guys, if I can have a favor, is you see this is the subscribers and like icon. I would really much appreciate if you, every one of you who at least enjoy the video, our videos, my videos, please big thumb up. That's helped me to get more new people watch my videos daily. If you're not gonna do it, even you like the video but you're not gonna click, the YouTube treat this video as you don't really enjoy it. So very simple thing, and cost you nothing, but for me is very helpful. I will really appreciate that. Meanwhile, that's how it looks, the situation in Raya Seminyak. Somewhere here it's the famous Warung Smade. Over here on the left right now, Warung Smade, Seminyak, legendary place. Many of you have great memories from this place. I also make a vlog in this place, so you can come back and check this out. Very enjoyable place with lots of tradition and culture and stories around, owned by Dutch people, Dutch Balinese. Actually the lady is Balinese, lovely Balinese lady, and the guy is Dutch, and that's how it look like. Situation, shops and more shops. Unfortunately some people driving around, but it's very quiet, have to agree with me. There are some local banjars, and each banjar have a temple on the street. So as you see, time to time we're passing the temple, and basically this is the new banjar around. And also in this area, somewhere close on the right, will be the famous Bintang supermarket, which was the fire last year, unfortunately, but they trying to build over again. The new building will be bigger and more modern and fancy, and I think it will be very soon on the right. Meanwhile, that's what looks the situation. And here we go, this is the Bintang supermarket. The construction is still ongoing. I hope so in the next few months will be open. They open also the temporary shop inside the land. There you go, small row, and there is the temporary like small building. When there is the market, you can still enjoy your shopping there, but I think in the next few weeks will be the proper supermarket, very modern, and I hope so the prices and the quality will stay the same. Meanwhile, that's how it looks there. Still Raya Seminyak, this is still Seminyak, and heading slowly into border with Legian. So the life is very peaceful. Day by day it's getting more quiet on the street, because simply day by day there is more restrictions. Here is the junction. If you go to the right, there is the Jalan Nakula. On the left is Jalan Nakula actually, and on the right is Jalan Arjuna, if I'm not mistaken, and you're gonna head into double six direction, so the famous double six beach in Seminyak. Unfortunately it's closed. I make a video a few days ago with Winnie about how looks the situation on double six Seminyak. The beaches are closed and the situation there looks not so optimistic. It's super quiet. I could say definitely much more quiet than here on the main street. And here is already Legian. So this is still Raya Seminyak street, but this is already Legian Banjar Legian district. So technically this is already Legian, and obviously soon we will head into the Mercure Legian Hotel and many other businesses, many stuffs. As you see here on the left, on the right, supposed to be the warungs and small shops with the merchandises, where you could buy many things, like here for example, like rattan bags or dresses or many other things, and also some fancy boutiques or brunch club. This is the restaurant, many businesses, but unfortunately everything is very quiet. Also on the left corner you can see small map with the live where I am, the blue dot showing you exactly the spot where I am, like LPD Legian, and I'm actually on the dot showing LPD Legian, so it's 100% accurate. One more time I will write to remind you about the thumbs up. That's really helpful for me, and I hope so you enjoy the small map in the corner. So even if you are familiar or not familiar with the area, but you see something interesting when you come back to Bali, would like to visit, at least you know on the map where is it. You can make a picture or screenshot, depends where, on what device you're watching this. Very helpful. Today I didn't show you my face like on the right corner, like I used to do, like a gamer style last time. Also comment below, because some people said it's kind of difficult to focus on three things, like my face on the right, map on the left, and the center is the street. So maybe it was too much actually. So comment below, what do you think? Which one is better for you? I'm very flexible with that. For me the most important thing is to show you the how it looks live around Bali. Doesn't really, if you how the format I use it. Anyway, I hope so you enjoyed, and that's how it looks, the live. Basically time to time you can see somebody drive around, but there are also spots where it's completely nobody around. It's like super quiet. The recording time is after 4 o'clock. And it's supposed to be very busy actually, I have to say, but unfortunately during the current conditions is very quiet. Anyway, on the left is the already Mercure Legian Hotel. Not sure if it's open, it was a long time under refurbishment, but I think it's open. Here is the Grand Mas and Bella Italia, and the straight is Legian Street. Unfortunately, if you're driving by car you cannot get straight, so you have to go a little bit around. And this is also a great opportunity to show you that area, because usually when I drive bike or walk I just go straight, and I didn't show you, I think never show you on the vlog, this one-way road what is going around. It's actually also quite interesting, a little bit more local vibe here. Some hotels, some shops, some businesses are also around. That's how it looked like, the situation. Long time ago this road was, because it's one-way road, and here in between these hotels, somewhere here, often was the checkpoint, the police checkpoint checking the driving license and if people wearing helmets. But that was many years ago. I don't know if it's still doing this. They usually do in this corner. Obviously it's one-way road, so you cannot turn around. And here there are warungs on the left where you can buy so many stuffs, like actually helmets. That was actually good way to having a shop with helmet, because if you drive and you didn't have a helmet, which you should have a helmet, you can just go buy a helmet and should be fine. But that's a long time ago, years ago. I am not sure really if it's still like that. A long time I didn't see anything like that anyway. And here is also on the right Legian street food court. Well, obviously right now it's closed, or supposed to be closed, maybe for takeaway. However, it's also, somebody have a jeep here very nice. However, seems like driving jeep in Bali, the car, big car like this, is quite difficult. Obviously these roads in Bali, they are not like in America. So also here is very nice orange car, I think it's Holden. Looks like something nice, old school muscle car. Well, probably that was not Chevy SS, Camaro or something, but still very nice. And here there are some warungs. Now we are heading actually straight to Legian Street, and we will see how's the situation. Also here there are shops, warungs, local, little bit more local vibe. It's still tourist area, but little bit more local. You can find here like a tattoo shop or barber shop or stuff like this, which is little bit slightly cheaper than on the main Legian Street, something like that. And right now we're gonna turn left, and we are already on Legian Street, right here, right now. And this is already the Legian Street and Legian itself. So this is very world famous Legian Street. The two things in Kuta and Legian, this is the Kuta beach and Kuta gate area is so famous, and then is Legian Street. And Legian Street in Legian obviously is famous for the party and nightlife, and also so many clubs here, so many shops, so many massage parlors, so many tattoo shops, so many stalls where you can buy any kind of merchandise, and many things like this. Also quite cheap accommodation, like hotels, 3 and 4 star hotels, the budget one, very affordable places. However, everything is closed right now, and here is the Mama's German restaurant, famous Mama's. Unfortunately, since March 2020 it's closed. This place was open 24/7 every single day, every single time. You could just dine in if you have a very hard party or something and you are hungry at 3 o'clock at morning. You just could do it and having a lunch or dinner or whatever, breakfast. Legian, the new club, it's called Legion now. Long time ago was Legiant. Unfortunately it's closed right now. I make a vlog with Winnie like last year there. If you inside, if you're interested, you can check this out. And meanwhile, that's how it looks, the situation in Legian Street, and I have to say it's super quiet. It's going to be more and more quiet. It's really like deserted already. And the one Legian hotel on the left, 4-star hotel, very affordable. Well, it's empty street almost, obviously, like few people around. Sometimes somebody will pass me away because obviously I'm driving slow, but it's very quiet, guys, what I can say. So sad. Many buildings are for rent, and if we are talking about the buildings for rent, we are heading now into direction of Sky Garden. And before Sky Garden is on the left is the one club, nightclub, it's called Empire. Unfortunately, many of you know Empire, but Empire right now is out of business. I mean, it's not closed, they are completely out of business because the building where is the Empire Club is for lease. So the club is not exist anymore, which is very sad. Empire is now right now on the left. Legian 36, as you see, is the building just totally for rent. And heading now into Bomb Monument. This is already Kuta right now, and VIP bar, Sky Garden at the front. And this is the center of the nightlife, and in general during the daytime is also very busy, but obviously everything is closed. And I think that's it for today's vlog. Next time I will show you how it looks in Kuta. Alright guys, that's it for today's vlog. I hope so you enjoyed. That's how it looks, the situation from Seminyak to Legian. And next time I will show you everything how it looks in Kuta, because this is also very interesting area. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching. Please pick thumb up if you enjoyed the video. This is very helpful for me. And see you tomorrow as always. See ya, take care.